Do you want pain or do you want pleasure? I know what I want. The moment I shifted to the wheelie building block method, everything changed for me. And I was finally able to have pro level wheelie control. Most people will never learn how to wheelie because they just go for the wheelie without building the fundamental blocks first. If you want to learn how to do a proper wheelie, you need to layer different skills. This is what I like to call the wheelie building block method. It consists of 5 different building blocks. You can learn these in a layered fashion by using specific drills to build skills necessary to have pro level wheelie control. When I tried to achieve pro level wheeling, I just went out into the yard, dumped the clutch, handful of throttle, and just gave her the berries. Let me tell you, that did not work. But when I caught wind that my biggest rival and idol as a kid was implementing pro level wheelie skills into his everyday training, everything changed for me. I then began to start studying the craft and understanding the steps that it took in order to achieve pro level wheelie. What I found out was that there's different stages, or if you will, building blocks to learn the proper wheelie. And you can't master the wheelie without first mastering certain skills. So what you have to focus on is number 1, implement wheelie drills in your everyday training. And secondly, focus on specific drills and exercises that gradually build up the skills. Intuitively, you probably know this is true. If you're watching this video and you haven't mastered wheelies yet, ask yourself, what approach have you taken? Did you go for the wheelie right away? Or did you make wheelie training a part of your daily practice? Or did you take a layered approach? If you're like myself and most people, you probably watched all the videos on YouTube to try to wheelie, but probably still can't. Have you ever gone through the pain of looping it out and literally busting your butt? Have you ever scraped up or broken your bike due to crashing trying a wheelie? If any of this sounds familiar to you, I fully understand. I was once that person too. But with the right approach, you can finally achieve the wheelie control you need to rip wheelies on the trail, the track, and anywhere you want to go. Here are the top 3 reasons that you should add wheelie training to your everyday training and do wheelie drills that are appropriate for your skill level. You don't have to be worried about what the bike might do or how to react to it because you'll have created comfort with the drills and built a foundation of skill. Confidence. You'll be confident in yourself that you're able to learn something that you thought maybe you weren't able to. And most importantly, you can drop your lap times on the track and trail by utilizing wheelies over rough terrain. So here's something that you can do right away to start building the correct building blocks. Set aside 30 minutes, 2 to 3 days a week, and let's work on a very important block: clutch, throttle, and brake control. I want you to ride as slow as you can and do tiny little clutch pops, meaning a little throttle and a little clutch pop at the same time to get the bike to lurch forward. After the clutch pop, I want you to come to a stop, keep your feet on the pegs, and balance as long as you can. As you feel yourself losing balance, roll forward again in 5 to 10 feet, do a clutch pop, come to a stop, and balance again. This is going to work the release of the throttle and the clutch simultaneously. It's going to work on your back brake, and then it's also going to work on your side-to-side balance when you're in that stationary position. Very good, but when you get the front wheel up, then you have to do all that at once. Do this in 10-minute sets and shoot for 3 at a time. So why bring up all this discipline and go through the pain of implementing daily wheelie practice in your routine and using a building block approach? Properly mastering wheelie control has a lot of benefits that most riders don't realize. Imagine you could go out on the trails and take the A-line and not have to worry about if you can wheelie over the log or the roots. Imagine how your life would look if you could go out on the motocross track and wheelie anything you needed and not worry about missing work on Monday. It would be a game changer, right? Now that you understand the bigger picture of mastering pro-level wheelie control and the importance of making wheelie training part of your everyday training, it's time to get practical. In the next video, I'll show you a simple wheelie drill that you can start implementing right away, even if you're a beginner. If you want access to that video and 4 other videos on gaining pro-level wheelie control, click the link in the description. As some of you might know, I launched a course on mastering wheelies a few months ago. I took a small group of people through the course to make sure I could learn with them. I recently closed that course and took all of the feedback that I've gotten to improve it. In the last few months, I completely revamped the course. And in a few weeks from now, on Monday, November 7th, I'll be launching the 2.0 version of the wheelie course. The entire course will focus on teaching you the building blocks necessary to achieve pro-level wheelie skills. That's right, slow wheelies, standing wheelies, wheeling through ruts, wheeling over logs, wheeling over roots, and much more. Now I want to make sure I'm able to help out every student and be there for them. We have over 400,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel, and as you would guess, it's hard to answer every comment or even every message and email I get through this community. So what I want to do with this course is create a tight-knit group of riders that are learning how to master pro-level wheelie control together. This way, I can make sure everyone gets results answer questions, and be there for you. But I want to make sure that it still feels personal and not a large group of people that I don't really know. So what I've done is created a special wait list to anyone who is interested in the upcoming class. Everyone on this special email list will also get access to a free 6-part video series on how to master wheelie control in the upcoming class. This way, you can learn wheelies, improve your fundamentals, and decide later if you want to join the upcoming class. Make sure you click on the link below to join. Now, as much as I'd like to help everyone with wheelie drills and skills, I find that my students get the best results when I work in a small group setting. That way, everyone can get the help and support they really need. So this is gonna be a genuinely rare opportunity, and spots are granted on a first come, first served basis. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you click the link down below and put your name on the early bird waitlist. Everyone on the early bird waitlist will get access to the registration link the night before the program launches to the public. So make sure you place your name on the early bird waitlist. Just click on the link, fill out the form. All you have to do is enter your name and email address, and your spot will be secured.